Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So trying to uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 10 and Windows 11 in most cases is almost impossible. Obviously, there's the exception to the rule, and a lot of the times, if you do successfully manage to uninstall Edge from Windows, a day or so later, it just manages to reinstall itself somehow. Now, this is all set to change, and this is according to the Digital Markets Act, DMA. If you do find yourself in the European Economic Area, EEA, in one of those regions, where as of the 6th of March, Microsoft is going to give you the option to be able to uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 10 and Windows 11. And that's if you are running Windows 11 version 23H2 and Windows 10 version 22H2. So just take note of that. Now, what this Digital Markets Act will also do, if you do find yourself in the EEA, as I've mentioned previously, it's going to give you more control over your default apps, your system apps, and your data stored with Microsoft. And that's all because of the DMA, the Digital Markets Act. Now, currently, as you will know, if we head to Microsoft Edge in the Start menu, as an example, there is no way to uninstall the browser. And as mentioned, in just a couple of weeks, you will find an uninstall option in this right-click menu. If you do right-click on Microsoft Edge, and you will then, as mentioned, be able to uninstall Microsoft Edge for whatever reason from your Windows system if you find yourself in the EEA. Now, if you don't find yourself in the EEA, and when this does start rolling out on the 6th of March, you can also change your device region to an EEA country to get access to this uninstall button to actually just uninstall Microsoft Edge from your system. So how you do that, just a quick recap. You head to your settings, you head over to time and language, and you get language and region. And if you change your country or region to one of those regions in the EEA, and if you don't know what regions are in the EEA, just do a quick Google search. I'm sure you'll get all the information you need. If you change your region, your country and region, to a region and country in the EEA, there's a good chance you'll also be able to get access to the uninstall button to be able to uninstall Microsoft Edge starting the 6th of March this year, which is in just a couple of weeks. Now, like most things with Microsoft, there's always a bit of give and take. And according to Reddit, a Reddit post, if you are trying to uninstall Microsoft Edge and do successfully manage to uninstall Microsoft Edge from your system, unfortunately at this stage, you cannot run the new Outlook for Windows, which obviously is the new email client that Microsoft is pushing out to Windows 10 and Windows 11 to replace the legacy mail app. And this will become default by the end of the year on both OSs. Now, if we just head over to a screenshot from a Reddit post, this is what's happening when you uninstall Microsoft Edge and you are trying to run the new Outlook. It says the new Outlook for Windows needs Microsoft Edge to be installed. Now, as with Microsoft, there's always a bit of give and take with a lot of the features in the OS. And the reason for this is if we head back to our apps, installed apps list, apps and features, this is because of the Microsoft Edge WebView 2, which is a render web-based feature. So if we just, here we go, here it is here, Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime. And Outlook uses this to render web-based features on the PC, basically as an app. So it needs this, which is part of Microsoft Edge. And we can actually see that the version for WebView 2 runtime is exactly the same as Microsoft Edge 121.0.2277.112. The same applies for WebView 2. And WebView 2 cannot be uninstalled. So there's a little bit of a catch with this. So in the EEA, in a couple of weeks, if you do manage to get that uninstall button and uninstall Microsoft Edge, if you are using the new Outlook for Windows, you may run into a problem where the new Outlook will not function and not start properly as shown from that screenshot. But because of the Digital Markets Act, it's hard to say at this stage if that kind of issue, this issue here, will be bypassed due to the DMA. But nonetheless, just keeping you posted. And obviously, if I get more information regarding this, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.